All right, we're talking multiplying polynomials. A couple different ways you can do it. We discussed previously. You can set them up vertically. Big time, or big thing we're going to be working with here is examples. So if I gave you the example of 2x plus 3 times the quantity of x plus 5, you got two options. You can set these things up vertically, which again we discussed in the last set of notes. Nice thing about setting things up vertically is when you multiply them out, you can get your like terms lined up pretty easy. That would give us a positive 15. That gives us 15x. That gives us 3x positive. That gives us 3x squared. Add together 3x squared plus 18x plus 15. Now, there is one little acronym that we use a lot. Now, but the thing about it is, it works when you have a binomial times another binomial. And that is called FOIL. FOIL is going to stand for your first term being multiplied together, your outer terms getting multiplied together, your inner terms getting multiplied together, and then your last terms getting multiplied together. First, outer, inner, last, FOIL. So let's see how it works with our setup here. So again, it's got to be a binomial, two terms, times another binomial, two terms, in order for FOIL to work. So we do this, the first terms are right here, right here. First terms in each one, so multiply them together. It's going to give us 3x squared. Then we work with the outer terms. That means one's on the farthest outside. That's on the farthest outside. That's on the farthest outside. So we multiply them together. That's going to give us 15x. Then we work on what's called the inner terms. So that's on the inside most or innermost. And this is also on the innermost. So we multiply them together. There's our inner. And then we work with the last terms. The last one in the parentheses, which would be this one. The last one over here in this parentheses, which would be right here. Gives us plus 15. Final thing then is combine like terms. Three x squared plus 18x plus 15. Not going to be a big stickler. If you want to set these up vertically and do them, do that and show your work, please. A lot of people go to the FOIL method because it saves some space on your paper for better explanation. So if I give you this one, let's go 3m plus 4 times the quantity of m minus 5. So, first terms, here they are. First terms, 3m squared. Outer, negative times positive, negative 15m. Inners, plus 4m. And then our last terms, minus 20. Combine like terms. Final answer in standard form. 3m squared minus 11m minus 20. So our last example we'll do with this is this quantity of 2y minus 5 times the quantity of y minus 6. So 2y times y, first times first, gives us 2y to the second power. Outers, negative 12y. Inners, negative 5y, and then the last terms, plus 30. 2y squared, there are no squared terms, so there are no like terms with that. There's our like terms, negative 17y, and then plus 30, no other like terms, combine that too. So there's your final answer. Practice a couple of these, please. You've got the odd numbers that are located on page 483. 1 through 11, odd. I'm giving you the odds because you can check your answers in the back of the book, and if you're having trouble, we can talk about it in our live session. We'll see you later.